As usual, we start the speed test with no apps running in the background and the phones in airplane mode connected to the same Wi-Fi network. The Honor View 10 is off to a faster start as it's able to load the core apps a tad bit faster than the Honor 10. It's also worth noting that the Honor 10 seems to have more dramatic animations when minimizing the apps. They're still neck and neck and they launch almost every app and game at the same time, but the View 10 has the slight lead. Despite being a newer handset, the Honor 10 runs on the same Kirin 970 chipset and 6 gigs of RAM available on the Honor View 10. The difference is mainly software, as the View 10 is running EMUI and Android 8.0, while the Honor 10 is running EMUI and Android version 8.1. The View 10 finished lap 1 first with a time of 1 minute and 54 seconds, undercutting the 55-second mark by just a few milliseconds, while the Honor 10 did the same in just 1 minute and 55 seconds. The actual difference is only a fraction of a second. We go in the reverse order to test out the ability of the phones to redraw apps from memory, and as we have seen in the past, EMUI has good RAM management and each and every app loads from memory on both the phones. Honor View 10 finishes lap 2 as well first with a time of 2 minutes and 16 seconds, while Honor 10 finished with a total time of 2 minutes and 17 seconds. The difference between the two is practically nothing, and we have never had as close a finish as this one in terms of speed test. The wider 19:9 aspect ratio of the Honor 10 means that it has slightly more vertical pixels, 20 to 80 to be exact, compared to the 20-160 pixels of the 18:9 screen on View 10. Perhaps that causes some slight difference too, but both these phones will perfectly satisfy you when it comes to performance. If you're trying to decide between these two, then perhaps there are other factors you need to consider, such as camera, display, etc., and we'll be bringing comparisons soon. Until then, thanks for watching. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas, and see you again in the next one.